In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Opera GX on your PC to your phone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before we start, make sure you have the latest version of the Opera GX browser on your phone and on your computer, so update both apps accordingly. Once you ensure that both of them are running the latest version available and are compatible, click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen on the computer browser and scroll down to go to your full browser settings. In here, we have to look for My Flow in order to properly connect both accounts. Enable My Flow and you should see this sidebar. Just click on this little arrow on the middle of the sidebar, and as you can see here, it's going to tell you to download the Opera browser from the Google Play or App Store. Like I told you, just update the app accordingly, and after you do so, you just have to scan this QR code. Click on Review the QR code and go back to your phone. In your phone, open up the mobile app and go into the settings by clicking the Opera icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Connect to Computer button, and like I said, just scan this QR code in order to connect your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Opera GX on your PC to your phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.